Hi, this is Raksil and you're watching Raksil 777's channel. Now let's go to settings, and this video is the custom ROM review of Derpfest. Are you ready for the darkness? Android version 13, you can see. Move the clock to 1 o'clock position and you will see Android 13 logo. You get the latest security patch 5th November 2022, and the kernel is Soviet Star update from November 10th, and the SE Linux status is enforcing. That is good, right? Now in settings you get dark space for the customization, battery settings, clock and date settings, the status bar, traffic indicators. Miscellaneous you get logo and it's enabled right now. Style you get here Derpfest. There is tons of style here: Nike, ROG, right? In quick settings you get QS styles. Layout, you can increase the column. Is it not okay? I need to apply change, right? Okay, it's working, right? Yes, let's put it back to default. Alright, you get animation flip and rotate. Yes. And you get fingerprint animation. Wow, you get One Piece logo here, Luffy, Gear 5, Nami, Zoro, right? Let's try Luffy Gear 5 here, and you can see the logo appeared and see the fingerprint and animation. It's fast, the fingerprint is fast, right? And you can also set the UD FPS custom animation here. You get Pac-Man here. Let's try out. It's working perfect. Okay, we have gone through the Derpfest customization. Now in under display you get colors: natural, boosted, saturated, adaptive. You get screen off FOD, enable tap gesture, double tap on the screen to wake or sleep device. Alright, and in home settings, this is the quick step launcher here. Alright, you have at a glance Google search bar, and in wallpapers and style you get theme icons and system fonts, and the theme icons is working perfect. And you can check out the CPU throttling test here. Performance max 190k GIPS and the average is 179 GIPS, and the minimum is 167 GIPS, which is good. Geekbench score, single score 750 and the multi-score 6. Multi-score is 2651. Alright, and on the left side in your home screen you get Google Fit here. This phone is running on 60 fps and it still feels smooth even though this phone is 2 years old. And this is the battery stats. Before I talk about the battery stats, my current battery capacity is only 2000 mAh. My phone battery is damaged. Alright, screen on time 5 hours 45 minutes, 105% consumed. Screen off 8 hours 46 minutes, 7% consumed. Idle drain is 0.80%, which is good, right? Current battery temperature is 34 degrees. Alright, this is a good battery backup for 2000 mAh, right? And in QS panel settings you get ambient display, AOD off, scan QR code, Derpfest, caffeine, live display, reading mode, anti-flicker you get here. Alright, you get compose, and in Play Store you get device is certified out of the box. Alright, now let's test the safety net here. Safety net pass default, all the profile is success, and banking applications are working fine, absolutely working fine without any problems. And this is the camera you get here. And yeah, that's pretty much it for this video, and I hope you guys are doing well, and always keep smiling. Goodbye.